Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some Boxycharm Basebox June 2020 spoilers that I am a little indifferent about. I'm not exactly excited, but I'm also like intrigued. Does that make any sense? Possibly not. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just discuss them and talk a little bit about these products today. If you guys enjoy spoilers from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler girl, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and get on to the spoilers. So we have 5 products we're going to talk about today. We're going to start out with the eyeshadow palette. So when Joe talked about the spoilers on a Facebook video, he also mentioned that there could be other variations other than just these palettes that we would be getting. So it's going to be, you can either get this, and this as like a variant for that one pick is the way I'm understanding it. So there's probably going to be more palettes, or if not more items that you would be able to choose from, or different variants within that section. You know what I mean? Like, you get to pick one out of all these. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyways. So these first 2 palettes are both from Shared Planet, and I was looking, and these are literally the only items offered on the Shared Planet website. There's this palette, another palette, and like some lip glosses and stuff. So that's literally it. This is actually a fairly new brand. The blogs on here go back to September of 2019, so that's about how new that this company is. And I was looking into it wondering, like, is this another one of those like rip-off brands that they just mass order stuff from Alibaba and give it to us, making it seem like it's fantastic, but it's really just a box filler because it's the same person that owns like 20 different companies doing the same thing, but it actually is not. So I was looking, and it says meet our founder. I don't know if I'm saying her name correctly, but I think it's Sheena Sharma. I'm sorry if I'm saying it incorrectly, but age 17. The founder is 17. And actually the story behind this company is actually really incredible. So if you guys want to take a look at, you know, the founder and what this company is actually about, I will have a link to the website below. I think it's a great read. You should definitely check it out, which makes me a little bit more excited about these palettes coming in the box, just because there is such a great cause behind this brand, and it's not just a filler brand in my opinion. So the first one we're going to talk about is the Tiger eyeshadow palette, which appeals more to me. I think the packaging is beautiful, and I really like the shades in here, and I feel like it being called a tiger palette and looking at the shades, looking at the packaging, it's just very cohesive. Though you think a tiger, black and orange, but no one wants a black and orange palette. That would be called a Halloween palette, right? But I think this is very safari-like, definitely jungle. I really enjoy. These are so pretty. My eye really gravitates towards the last half, the like darker brown color, the green, just that square there looks so pretty, and I would really love to get this palette. It only has 6 reviews, but it's at a 5-star, and it retails for $48. Yeah, if you guys want to definitely look more into the brand, go to their website. Link will be down below. They also are cruelty-free and vegan. If they weren't, I would think that, you know, it would be kind of silly that it's a nature, you know, just, you know what I'm trying to say. So the other palette is the Polar Bear eyeshadow palette. Did I say these retail for $48? Because they do. I'm not as drawn towards this palette. I do think that the shades are very pretty. I'm not as drawn to it as I am with the other one, but I think you could create like very beautiful looks with this. So this one has 4 views, all 5 stars as well. Anyways, we are done talking about this. Hopefully this is actually going to be a really great quality eyeshadow palette, and it's not going to be something that's kind of a brand that does help and they do donate money, but it's good quality, like a good quality product, and not just one of those like fundraiser kind of products that it's for a good cause but it's not very good quality. Hopefully this will be really good quality, so fingers crossed, and cannot wait to see what everybody thinks of this. Let me know your thoughts down below. So the next eyeshadow palette is is from Touch in Sol, and when I first saw this spoiler, I thought it was a MAC palette because MAC has palettes that look just like this, and something about the MAC palettes that have this like big circle, little circle, and like it just, it's one of those things like the Dose of Colors palette, the, what was it, the National Treasure palette or the Treasure Island, I don't even know what it was called, where it's not cohesive and it's kind of like jumbled up. This is another one of those palettes that I'm just like, I look at and it aggravates me. Like I don't want to use it because I don't like it not being in format in any kind of way. Like it just being like a little off, which sounds really ridiculous. But if you have these weird little problems like me, which is like a phobia or what is it, like a OCD, then it does really bother you and it gives you anxiety. Like it really does. And just even looking at this palette, I'm just like, oh, it's very pretty. I really love that orange, but like I would have to keep my eyes shut to even use this palette. I know that sounds so ridiculous, but it's a thing. I promise you, it's a thing. It might be just me, but it's a thing. That's why even when these MAC palettes were on sale, I would not pick them up because I know I would not be able to physically use it. I would just look at it and I would feel overwhelmed and my heart would pound and it just would not be a good day. So this is Touch in Sol. We love the brand Touch in Sol on this channel. Everything we've tried from Touch in Sol is also phenomenal. So anyways, this retails for $32. It's called the Fill Up Orange palette. They also have a sister palette, which is called the Pink Parade, but that's not coming in the box. The orange palette is, which I actually prefer the orange one over the pink one. I think it just is a lot prettier. So let's read the description. It says, combine your love for strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch in Sol. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter textures, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto the lid smoothly for easy application and long-lasting wear. Use Pink Parade for lush, neutral looks and fill up orange to create coppery burnt tones. So there is several reviews and there's 86% give it a 5-star rating, 14% give it a 4-star rating, and it doesn't go below there. So far people are liking the palette, so that's good. Let me know if you are enjoying this palette, or well, enjoying the way it looks, because you can't just physically enjoy the palette unless you actually have it. So anyways, we're gonna get on to the next spoiler. So these aren't confirmed June base box or confirmed June premium, but they were in the video, and of course you already know when Joe has a product and he has it to the side of the video, those are obviously spoilers. Never fails. So the very first one, very exciting. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. So this retails for $32. It has a 91% would recommend on Sephora, 4.5 out of 5 stars out of 308 reviews. So it must be good, right? Plus, I mean, Smashbox is a really freaking incredible brand. It's kind of hard to not love Smashbox. Like, their products are quality. So it says for details, what is it? A weightless setting spray that makes makeup transfer proof and improves its wear for up to 16 hours with a comfortable, non-sticky and non-greasy feel. You know how to test that? Your boyfriend wears a white shirt and you say, oh babe, welcome home, and then you give him a hug and then you see if it's transfer proof. Okay, that's how you test that. But anyways, this actually looks very exciting. I would love to try it. I did just try this, the Tarte Double Duty Stay Spray today, and I actually used it and sprayed it on my eyes. Hold on, let me take a little look and see how well my eyes are holding up. Okay, well, it doesn't hold glitter in place because it's all up on my hoods now, so that's cool. But that's, you know, that's not obviously what it's going to be used for, is holding glitter, like, you know. But anyways, hopefully this will be really good, and I am excited to see which box this is coming in because this is an item that I want. If it's a choice item, I will choose it. But of course, I would have to see what else is out there for me to want to choose it, but that's high on my list, okay? High on my list. Next up, we have something Next up, we have something from Purely's. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. So it's just an all over BB cream, perfect for just putting it on your face if you just want a nice, even, thin, like pretty glow face look. That made no sense. Just to go out, like to the store, you just put this on, mascara, you're good to go, goodbye. So that's what this is, and of course, perfect for the sun. So if you're like wanting to have a nice, perfect, glowy looking face, obviously it's not going to be like full coverage or anything because it is just a BB cream, but it'll give you a nice, even skin tone. So say you want to go out to the pool, there you go, put it on, has SPF in it, you're good to go. But yeah, it's apparently their best-selling BB cream, now in 8 shades. So of course, shade range is not that bad because it's a BB cream, so it doesn't have to be a perfect shade match to you. So yeah, oil-free, moisturizing, natural looking coverage, matte meets glowy finish for all skin types, even sensitive. So that's great for anybody that has sensitive skin. Did I tell you it retails for $35? Because it does. It has goji and hawthorn berry, which brightens the skin, jasmine, which improves skin texture and retains moisture. So that's good. This is not something I would personally want or pick. I feel like if this is a choice item, you might be able to choose your shades, but also based off your profile, I think this would be pretty easy to match your skin tone, but we'll just have to see where the things go. So that is it for the June Basebox spoilers. Let me know your thoughts and opinions and feedback and all of that jazz down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing so far. And yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!